Good morning students, how are you? We have completed chapter 5 and today I am going to start the practical geometry, exercise 4.1, in which we have to construct the quadrilateral as per given conditions. In a quadrilateral, we required 5 things. To construct any quadrilateral, we required 5 things. 5 things, just like 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 sides and a diagonal. First of all, we are going to construct these types of quadrilateral. So listen carefully. First quadrilateral है construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which first question of exercise 4.1, question number 1, A part. AB is given 6.5 centimeter and BC is 5.5, CD is 5 centimeter, DA 5.5 and then AC is equal to 7 centimeter. So students, it is better कि if you draw a rough figure first, otherwise at every moment you have to check what is given from the statement and then you commit any mistake. So let us draw a rough figure first. ABCD, a quadrilateral. Anyway, it is rough figure. Write here rough figure. Now write AB is 6.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter and CD is 5 centimeter, DA 5.5 and AC is 7 centimeter. This diagonal is given. This is 7 centimeter. So what you have to do, first of all take a scale and by measuring the length of 6.5, by using scale, don't draw like this कि ऐसे ही draw कर दो. No, measuring on the scale, draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter and then open your compass. It should be up to this. Now open your compass up to 7 centimeter. Put the needle of the compass at A and put an arc of length 7 centimeter. यहाँ पे कंपास रख के और 7 खोल के आर्क लगा दो एंड देन टेक B एज सेंटर एंड नाउ ओपन योर कंपास इज इक्वल टू 5.5. टेक B एज सेंटर एंड कट इट लाइक दिस. This is point C such that BC is 5.5 and AC is 7 centimeter. Now take C as center or A as center. C as center and draw an arc of 5 centimeter length. यहाँ पे कंपास रखो and put an arc of 5 centimeter. Now take A as center and take 5.5 centimeter length. Put A and 5.5, cut it like this. So join these. This point is D. Join this also. CD is 5 centimeter and DA is 5.5 centimeter. And better write the steps of construction also. How should you write? Step 1. Step 1 में क्या किया हमने? What is step 1? Draw a line segment AB of length AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter. First यही किया था ना. Now taking A as center and radius is 7. Step 2. Take A as center and radius is equal to or open the compass up to 7 centimeter. You may write like this take A as center and radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Draw an arc. Step 3. Take B as center and take radius of 5.5 centimeter. Draw another arc which intersect the first arc no space is there, I am writing here, which intersect the first arc at C. Now step 4 is what? Step 4 is also in the same way. Take A as center and radius is equal to 5.5. Draw an arc. Now take C as center and open the compass up to 5. Draw another arc which intersect the first arc at point D. Join ABCD. Join ABCD. Then ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Listen again. According to given, open your compass up to the given length and then draw the arc. And in the last, join these. This is the way कि how should we draw the given quadrilateral according to given condition. And these are the steps of construction. Complete these steps also. I am going to solve the next. Beta, next is same, just same, nothing is changed. Instead of name ABCD in the first part, in second part KIND, in third part BOAT, D part FISH, in E part HOPE. I am going to draw the F part. What is in it? Nothing special, only somehow some conditions you have to apply. Draw a figure of rhombus EASY. Let us draw the rough figure. Rhombus. What is the name? EASY. Let this is the rhombus. EASY. Rhombus we have to draw. Side is given EA 3.6 centimeter and AY 6 centimeter. Now this diagonal is given. Instead of this diagonal is given. What is important in it? We should know that all the sides of rhombus are equal. This property I am going to use. This is 3.6, this is 3.6, this also 3.6 and this also 3.6. Now by using this I am going to draw a line segment EA. That is the first part of first step. If you are writing the steps of construction, then side by side you can write steps 1 of the construction. Draw EA is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Step 2, I am first time doing here. Draw a line segment EA of length 3.6 centimeter. Now take E as center and open your compass of 3.6 centimeter. Put the needle of the compass at E and put an arc of 3.6 centimeter. This length is 3.6. Now take A as center and a length of 6 centimeter. Take A as center, putting the needle of the compass at A and open equal to 6 centimeter and put another arc which intersect the first arc at a y. So this means EY is 3.6 and AY is 6 centimeter. So what should be the step 2? Now, no need of now, step 2 I am writing. Draw an arc EY. You can write directly. Draw EY is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Or you can write, put the needle of the compass at E and open up to take the radius of 3.6, draw an arc. Now take A as center. That is step 3. What is step 3? Take A as center, or you just write, draw an arc of length of 6 centimeter. Draw AY is equal to 6 centimeter, which intersect first arc at y. It is enough. Draw AY 6 centimeter. Okay, it is enough. Step 4. What should I do now? Now take y as center and draw an arc of 3.6. Now open the compass. Open the compass is equal to 3.6 centimeter and take y as center. Draw an arc. Now step 5. अब यहाँ से 3.6 की आर्क लगाएंगे आप, because all sides are equal, and from A also draw an arc of 3.6. So in this way, this is the rhombus. These all are 3.6 centimeter. And join all these. Step 5 is what? Cut EASY. Take A as center. And 3.6 radius. Draw an arc. I am writing here. Draw an arc which intersect first arc at S. Step 6. Join EASY. Join EASY. So EASY is a, no need of commas when you writing the name. EASY is a required rhombus. In this way, you can draw the given quadrilaterals. Now I am going to explain one more. What is that? Now beta, last part of this 4.1 exercise. In this, draw a parallelogram. DEAL. Deal. Draw this parallelogram in which EA is 5 centimeter given, AL is 8.51 centimeter and EL is 9.5 centimeter. Beta, in this, because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So therefore, ED is equal to this and this are equal and this and this are equal. So this also 8.1 centimeter and this also 5 centimeter. So what should you write? Because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, therefore DE is 8.1 and DL is also 5 centimeter. Now you can draw. take a line segment of 8.1 centimeter, take D as center and radius is equal to 5, put an arc of length 5 centimeter, open the same, put another arc of length 5 centimeter. I am saying because you no need to open again the 5. Already 5 is opened of your compass, then put one arc here also. Now E as center and open the compass is equal to 9.5 and put an arc which intersect the first arc at L. Now open the compass of 8.1 and put an arc. ये पहले ही arc थी ना यहाँ पे 5 centimeter. Put that. Now join all these. This is your parallelogram. Clear it is? Steps of construction is not required. In this question, I am saying कि no need to required on the board. Otherwise, you should write. You should write on the board. Yes, bete. Now I am going to explain the second type of quadrilateral. I told you कि 5 things are required to draw a quadrilateral. So now 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Then how can you draw a given quadrilateral? First question of 4.2, question number 1, A part. That is, draw a quadrilateral SOFT. SOFT. First of all, I am going to draw the rough figure. Rough figure is what? It is very helpful. Don't forget to draw a rough figure. SOFT. SOFT. This. What is given? SO for 4 centimeter. And then OF 5.2 centimeter. And TS 4.3. And then OT 6.5. This diagonal 6.5 centimeter and SF is 6 centimeter. Like this, you should draw this by using the same strategy. What was the same? Draw a line segment SO 4 centimeter. Whatever I am telling you, that is the steps of construction. You can write here, step 1, draw a line segment SO of length 4 centimeter. Now take S as center and radius is equal to 4.3 centimeter. Or you can write take S as center and open the compass is equal to 4.3 centimeter and put an arc like this. Put an arc. Now take O as center and radius is equal to 6.5. This one. O as center and radius is equal to 6.5. Draw another arc which intersect the first arc at point T. Now point T is there. Join them. This one is 4.3 and this one is 6.5 centimeter. Now what you should do, take S as center and radius is equal to 6. S as center and open the compass is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw an arc. Now O as center and put the arc of 5.2 centimeter length like this. This point is F. You can join all these and then write their measurements. It is 5.2 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter. Must write the given measurement on the side. जिस किसी की भी साइड की लेंथ गिवन है ना, must mention that and write the steps of construction also. What step 1? Draw a line segment SO 4 centimeter. Step 2 कोई सा भी ले सकते हो. You can first draw this arc. You can first draw this much arc, this one of length 5.2. Or you can draw first 4.3, or you can draw first 6 centimeter or 6 point, whatever you want you can do. But write here. It is the part of the question ki write the steps of construction also. Clear it is? Now beta, all parts of 4.2, question number 1, all parts A, B, C, D, these 4 parts are quite same, बिल्कुल एक जैसे हैं, सेम टाइप, ऐसे ही आपने ड्रॉ करने हैं. एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम. E part, I want to discuss the E part. That is what? Draw a rhombus BLUE. Draw a rhombus BLUE. Listen bete. This rhombus we are going to construct BLUE, in which both the diagonals are given, side is not given. So we know that in rhombus all sides are equal, no use of side. मेरे को साइड का यूज ही नहीं है, ना मेरे पास साइड की लेंथ है. बट वी नो दैट द डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट ए 90 डिग्री. वन डायगोनल हम यहाँ लिख देंगे बिकॉज डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए rhombus are perpendicular bisector. This is the symbol of perpendicular bisector of each other. So therefore what we should I do? देखो, EL is perpendicular bisector of 5. 5 को अगर हम हाफ हाफ करेंगे then 2.5 and 2.5. And if I take EL as the base, I mean EL को पहले ड्रॉ करूँ, then it will be divided into 3 and 3. Take care of this thing, which is easily in 2 parts without decimal. One part, what is the half of 5? 2.5. What is the half of 6? 3. So if any one diagonal is like this, that is in complete number, that is the integer, I mean all number, don't take that, don't draw that on the first line. So first you draw BU 5 centimeter, that is the steps of construction. Draw a line BU. Beta, first you draw BU is equal to 5 centimeter. BU 5 centimeter. What I told you, बेटे जिसका हाफ डेसिमल में ना आए, take that line as the first line. In case of when we have to draw rhombus and both the diagonals are given. Now next step is what? Draw the perpendicular bisector of BU. How can we draw the perpendicular bisector of a line? Put the needle of the compass at B and open the compass more than half of the given line. More than half. ऐसे एक arc लगाओ like this. Now take the same radius. अब कंपास को कम ज़्यादा नहीं करना आपने. सेम रेडियस U पे रखो और एक और आर्क लगा दो ऐसे, which intersect the first arc like this. Now join these. This is the perpendicular bisector of the BU. Now what is the next diagonal? The second diagonal is 6 centimeter, and we know 3 is this side and 3 is this side because both diagonals bisect each other. Now put the compass at the middle point. Let O is it. मान लो ये O है, तो now open the compass is equal to 3 centimeter and mark an arc like this, and the same it is 3 centimeter and same distance here, नीचे भी काट दो, that is also 3 centimeter. Now join these, join this, this, this and this. So this is the BLUE. This is the rhombus. क्योंकि rhombus को हम ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं बेटे, like this, all sides are equal, no need of measurement of side, this is the required rhombus, and write the steps of construction inside. कि first draw a line segment BU of length 5 centimeter and draw the perpendicular bisector. Let the name of it is XY. Draw XY, the perpendicular bisector of BU, and now take, let O is the midpoint of BU, ये midpoint आएगा. Now O as center and radius is equal to 3. Put an arc which intersect the bisector at E, and same, take O as center, put another arc downside which also intersect the bisector at L. Now join EB, BL, LU and UE. Then below BLUE is the required rhombus. So I think beta it is sufficient for today. I will complete the remaining exercise, that is 4.4, 3 and 4, whatever bit is, on the next day. So till then, have a nice day. Thank you.